Hello again, people. Right, this is going to be a quick video because the dog's begging me to take her out for a walk. It's 17 past 10, and I scalped another little 11 pips net spread on this GJ. As I said before many times, when you get a quality signal on the higher time frame, and for me I consider the H1 to be high. Some would say weekly and daily. You hear these people say never trade. Trading the short time frames is impossible to do. Well, it's not, is it? And yeah, so this was so good, and I did say in the last video that whilst you can't trade my predictions, trade your own analysis. I thought this was going up. And notice also that I never or I rarely talk about fundamentals, stock markets and all this malarkey, crashing and stuff. It's just price action trading is the way forward. So in my opinion, and when I do start to read about the news and stuff like that, it sends my trading, it just does my head in. So pure price action all the way. And little trade here, and I'll show you exactly how I used my levels to enter. So that's right, what I've done is put a low on, let me think about this carefully. Yeah, that high is that red candle there. And what I wanted to do, remember, it even works on the 1 minute: high, low, lower, high, lower, low. Then the song the other way: low, high, low, higher, low, higher, high, and close above the last resistance. Remember, just do the homework yourself, guys. This one failed to close below. They're low, high, low, high, high, low, high, high. If it closed below, it would have been short. Not short, but it would have had to close above. So what I'm saying is that level repelled the price, and then when it closed above there, it went up. So just check them yourself, guys. It works. So what I did then was just wait for the break of the high of this candle. So this was my trigger candle, if you like. I couldn't trade before that candle closed because I wouldn't know whether it had actually breached that level and closed above it. So I waited for that close above, and notice here this green level also is the opposite. It's the same as I was just describing there. If the price closes below, we've got to wait, and it didn't. Or in fact, no, it did actually, because it opened. It didn't close below it, but it opened. So there's a tiny little gap there. So I needed to cancel that reversal signal out. You can just see, if I zoom in, you can just see there, it opened just below that level, so it meant that had been breached, and I needed another confirmation to the upside. And as I say, you can see the minute that broke above the high of that what I could call my trigger candle, if you like, I took the trade, and I took it up to the H1 high, just below it. As I say, the amount of times I got caught out. In fact, look how that just repelled that price there, and I had to suffer some drawdown. Not on my trade. I think it might have gone 1 or 2 pips against me, and then continued up to that H1. Notice how that H1 was used as resistance, and now the price has gone another 37 pips higher. GJ crazy, but trust your indicators, guys, and trade safely. So 3 trades, 3 winners this morning. In fact, I can't even remember when I had a loser. I would always tell you. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great Friday. Friday the 13th. Unlucky for some, not for me.